Hello, my name is Alejandra Montero Rincon. I am from Yupal Casanare. I am 23 years old. I was born on December. I have been a student at UNAT for 7 semesters, and during the program I have grown and learning more than I thought it was possible. I came to this university because I wanted to be an English teacher. The English program has taught me a lot of things about acquisition of a second language. I have learned how to write and express myself in English language and how to find the answer to the things that I don't know. With autonomous learning, my English learning has been considerably progressing. Although I am not at the level I would like to be, I feel that I still have a lot to learn. My main strength is that know how to organize my time well, and I know how to prioritize. This has helped me to deliver my assignments on time and has been seen in all grades. I would say my main weakness is the fact that a little a perfectionist, which gives me a new opportunity because continued improvement allows me to deliver good products. I was so shy and curious that it threatened my academic training and the beginning. Unfortunately, thanks to the different fields the university offers to interact, chat, and practice with more people, I have gained more confidence and security. My learning has been a little delayed for lack of time because I have had to prepare in an autonomous way. For me, it is very important that this course contribution to my profession because the desire to overcome became more than the obstacles that occur in my process. Over time, I have managed to understand and relate some concepts acquired in high school that honestly at the time didn't pay much attention to them. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.